Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI 3D avatar twin, and it's easier than you think. I'll show you the exact steps to design your avatar, animate her smoothly, and make her talk using Whisk AI. With this method, you don't need to show your face, and you can still create high-quality professional content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, whatever platform you want. Once your AI avatar twin is set up, you can keep reusing her to create multiple videos very quickly, and you can get more creative with your storytelling, your tutorials, your reactions, your animations, and even full series content, all using Whisk AI. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will know how to get more free credit on Whisk AI.
Here I am, ready to tackle the workday. This pink suit always makes me feel confident and stylish in the office. Time to head out. Another productive day at the office done. My bag's packed, and I'm off to my next adventure. And here I am, enjoying a smooth drive in my Mercedes. It's the perfect way to get around and always makes me feel empowered.
So generate our AI avatar. We have to use Gemini, okay? Gemini Nano Banana to do this, all right? So head over to your Google App Play Store or App Store or your browser and download Gemini, gemini.com, all right? Gemini is one of Google's AI tool that generates image, videos, and also it can also generate a text for you, all right? When you come to Gemini and you want to use it to generate image, you have to touch on the create image, all right? Put the create image on. Head over to your gallery and download the image headshots of your picture. So when you import your picture, you have to paste in this prompt which says render in 3D pixel style cartoon ultra detailed, all right, with soft texture, vibrant colors, and playful energy. 8K resolution, print in 9:16 aspect ratio, okay? Generate, all right? Allow it to generate. Give Gemini some time to generate the image. So the image is ready. All you have to do is to download. So when you download the image, we want to create the AI avatar to appear in different scenes, okay? All you need to do is to attach the image, or you can continue on the same page. Ask Gemini, instruct Gemini to make your avatar appear in different scenes, all right? Just watch out what I will ask Gemini to do. So I ask Gemini to make her appear in a luxury modern living room, and she will be relaxing and watching TV, all right? So allow it to generate. It just takes a few seconds. So this is what Gemini gave, which is good. You can see she's relaxing and watching television. So this is how you can create different scenes, all right? I can also ask Gemini to make her to appear in a modern office, all right? I want her to dress in the suits. So you just have to be imagine what you want to create and instruct your AI to do that. So I ask Gemini to make her appear in a modern office dressed in a pink suit, all right? You just have to be specific with generate. Be specific with what you want, all right? And the AI will create that for you. Wow, this is beautiful, all right? So go ahead and insert your avatar in different scenes, wherever you want her to appear, all right? Just go ahead and insert her there. So once you're happy with all the images you've generated, you have to go ahead and download, all right? Press on the image and download it to your browser, okay? Download that to your browser, okay? So the next tool we'll be using to animate our character is Whisk Lab AI. Whisk is also one of Google's AI tool, all right? You can use it to transform your image. You can use it to, animate your image as well. So Whisk does a lot of things. Just go on and type Whisk AI on your browser. When you get there, you will see try Whisk AI. Just tap on Whisk, okay? It will open. You log in with your ID, your email, or your Google account. Click on enter tool, all right? It will bring you to this interface, all right? This interface is where you will attach your image, all right? So let's go ahead and add image.
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
When you come to Whisk, all right, just click on add image. Click here and upload your image from your browser, okay? Upload it one after the other. Allow it to analyze. Once it analyzes, you just have to describe what you want. But for here, one thing with Wix is that you have to upload the image first before you'll be able to animate it. All right. So let's send off this image. You will see Whisk will give us two images. All right. Two images for us to use it to, animate our character. You can see that. You can see what Whisk gives to us. All right. You can go ahead and add other images. All right. Because we have multiple images here. So add other ones that you've generated. All right. Add them here. Wix will analyze it. Then it will analyze. Okay. It will come here. You can also send it off. It always gives you two options, which is amazing. Isn't it? That's so amazing. So here is it. All right. This one is generating. I have one more. So go ahead and add more images. All right. So, okay. So here is it. All right. Here you can see when you tap on any image you like, you will see some of these options will just pop up, all these features. All right. You will see the one with the camera on the top left. Just tap on it. The one you like, just tap on it. It will bring you to the video interface of Whisk. All right. So when you get here, it will ask you to give some animation and what you want your character to say. All right. So I've typed in here, make her type on the laptop and say, I am here today to tackle the work day. This pink suit makes me feel confident and stylish in the office. All right. Remember to add your dialogue under quotation open and close, quotation mark. Okay. You can see mine here. Just try and do that so that the AI tool will understand that this is a dialogue. All right. So once you're happy with that one, you just send it off. So as the video is generating, if you're still watching this video up to this extent and you are enjoying the tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tutorials. Our video is ready. Let's watch out and see, okay?
Here I am, ready to tackle the workday. This pink suit always makes me feel confident and stylish in the office. And here I am, ready to tackle the workday. This pink suit always makes me feel confident and stylish in the office.
So this is wonderful. And one thing with Wix will give you 8 seconds video, okay? Each generation. It also uses VEO3 to generate your videos, to animate it. So let's try the second one. So you click, at the top here, you will see one with like a plus sign. You see camera, you see light. So usually when you generate your video, it will be under the video logo. But click on the plus sign to go back to the images you've created, okay? So the second one is the one where she's walking into the office, all right, which is here. So tap on it, okay? Click on the video sign. It will bring you here and you can type in your animation, all right? So this is the second image I generated, okay? So make her walk towards, and she should say, time to head out. Another productive day at office today. I'm done. My bag is packed. I'm off for my next adventure. Okay, let's animate. You click the arrow here to animate her. So this is the
time to head out. Another productive day at the office done. My bag's packed and I'm off to my next adventure. Time to head out. Another productive.
So this is amazing. So the only thing I will say is that when you are using Whisk, it's not free, all right? So, but if you manage to generate and you exhaust your credits, you can always change your email address so you'll be able to get more credit, or you can subscribe for Pro, and get unlimited access to Google VEO3, Gemini, and everything. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share, comment, and like this video, and also subscribe for more AI tutorial like this.